Hey, what is up, guys? So, my current update on the FK7, I just had it mounted on the chassis dyno recently on a, I believe it's a dyno pack at Kaiju Motorsports. So, uh, it did make some pretty decent power on the stock non-SI fuel system. It actually made more than what I expected it to make. So, I'm pretty happy with that. Um, Probably next time I will be installing OEM Civic Si fuel system. So there's gonna be that. It'll probably make a little bit more power, but I'll probably stop right there because this is still on the stock engine. So without further ado, here we go. I'll show you the clips at dyno. It's a nice day at Henderson today. Here. Why are you avoiding camera? Alright, setting up the Civic for a dyno run here at Kaiju Motorsports. How much power do you think the car's gonna make today?
Oh, I don't know.
All right, so there you have it, guys. So the car did make some pretty good numbers, around, I believe, 332 wheel horsepower by pretty much close to red line. I believe 6,400 RPM and around 314 torque to the wheels. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.